Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screen lock unlocking sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Now screen is turned on. If you want to lock the screen, you will usually use this power button to lock. Okay, just press it. While pressing, there will be a sound. Okay. While unlocking your phone also there will be a sound. Listen here. There will be a sound. Okay. So this is called sound for locking and unlocking. So if you don't want this sound, that is if you don't want this locking and unlocking sound, yes, you can do it. You can turn off that sound. Just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, then go to system sound, and here you will find screen lock unlock option. Just turn off this button. Now hereafter, if you lock your phone, then you will not get any sound. Okay, while locking as well as while unlocking, you will not get any sound. Unlocking also don't have any sound. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off a screen unlock and unlocking sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.